He was busy from morning to night, always doing something, always tired, always telling himself he'd catch up tomorrow, but week after week, nothing really changed. Maybe you know this feeling. You wake up with big plans for the day, but your schedule fills up fast. Messages start pouring in, tasks pile up, responsibilities call your name. By the time night falls, you're completely exhausted. But deep down, you have this nagging feeling that you didn't actually move any closer to the life you want. That was his life. For years, he wasn't lazy at all. In fact, he probably worked harder than most of the people around him. He was constantly moving, constantly working. But no matter how busy he kept himself, he felt stuck in the exact same place. The same problems kept reappearing. The same stress weighed on him, and the same frustration built up inside. And that's when he realized something uncomfortable, something a lot of us don't want to admit. Being busy is not the same as making progress. He looked back at his days and saw a pattern. Most of his time was spent reacting. He was answering messages, putting out small fires, handling tiny tasks, and solving other people's problems. Everything felt urgent, but nothing felt truly important. By the end of the day, after all that running around, he had almost nothing to show for his effort. No real growth, no clear direction, just a profound sense of fatigue. The turning point for him didn't come from a sudden burst of motivation or some life-altering event. It came from one incredibly small, almost insignificant habit. Every night, right before he went to sleep, he took out a piece of paper and wrote down just one thing. Not a long to-do list with 10 goals. Not a complex plan for the future. It's just one single task. The one thing that, if completed, would move his life forward the next day. That was it. One priority. At first, it felt way too simple to make any real difference. But the next morning, something was different. For the first time in a long time, he woke up with clarity. He knew exactly what mattered most. So even if the day got messy, even if unexpected things went wrong, and chaos ensued, as long as he got that one task done, the day wasn't a waste. He had made progress. This tiny habit completely changed how he worked and how he approached his days. He stopped starting his mornings in a panic, reacting to whatever email hit his inbox first. He stopped jumping frantically between a dozen different tasks, feeling pulled in every direction. Instead, he learned to protect one small block of time. His first and most important appointment of the day for the one thing that actually mattered for his long-term goals. Some days, that one task was studying for a certification. On other days, it was dedicating an hour to learning a new skill he'd always wanted to acquire. And on other days, it was spending time building a side project, something for his future. Progress for the first time became visible. It wasn't just a vague idea anymore. You could see it and feel it, and that feeling changed everything. So why does this simple method work so well? Here's the psychology behind it. Big, ambitious goals can often feel overwhelming. They're so massive that they can drain your energy before you even begin, leading to procrastination. If you look at the mountain you have to climb and just feel defeated. But small habits don't do that. They're designed to lower resistance. They're so easy to start that you can really make an excuse not to do them. It creates momentum. And momentum is the secret ingredient. It builds confidence, not through hype or pressure, but through real, tangible action. The key here is consistency. He didn't suddenly become a super disciplined person overnight. He wasn't a different man. He still had bad days. He still felt tired. He still had moments where he doubted himself and wondered if he was on the right path. But now, there was a crucial difference. Even on his worst days, he was still moving forward, even if it was just a tiny little step. And that little bit, day after day, started to add up. Weeks passed, then months. He looked back and, for the first time, he realized he wasn't just busy anymore. He was actually progressing. He felt calmer, more in control of his life, and far less lost than he had in years. All of this stemmed from that one simple habit. He had learned to choose direction over distraction. So here's the lesson, the one takeaway from his story. If you feel like you're busy all day but going nowhere, don't try to fix everything at once. Don't set even bigger, more intimidating goals. Don't add more tasks to your already overflowing plate. Do this instead. Tonight, before you go to bed, Think about what truly matters to you. What S1 action you can take tomorrow that will bring you closer to where you want to be? Write that one thing down, then tomorrow, make it your #1 priority. Do that first before the world has a chance to interrupt you. That's how real direction is built. It's not about giant leaps. It's about small habits, clear focus, and taking it one step at a time. Let's improve together. Thanks for watching.